It's not what it's about at all. It's just that I will easily give everything I have to someone if they need it more than I do. I would easily give my time to someone if they need me in that space. What I did in the last 3 months was actually lowered my pricing so that more people can work with me. So I continuously lowered my pricing, and now I'm at a stage where I launched a membership for $47 because I just want more people to be together. I just want more people to see each other's gifts. And now it's not about the money anymore. It's about gathering more people so that I can build the brand and share it with more parts of the world. So it's really that unconditional love of seeing others for who they are, and acceptance of others. I've really seen this in my family too.